So this song is a song that our dad, Dermo, used to sing to us as youngers, and basically.
Yeah, back Strand. Being told we're a sound tech's worst nightmare, but we can't understand why.
What are the digness? So yeah, this song used to be sang to when we were young, and so it's a song that's very dear to my heart. Probably one of the few songs, well, one like probably 5 songs that can get a tear out of us, I think. But anyway, this is it. Was on Good Friday morning, all in the month of May.